Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about Binance Futures MultiPair Trading Bot. The bot is based on pair trading, one of the types of a market-neutral strategy. It involves trading simultaneous positions in two correlated assets, though there is a high correlation as we get fired to cryptocurrency trading pairs. The main benefit of this bot is that you can trade many pairs simultaneously, and all chains won't correlate with each other. While a bot executes a transaction in one chain, a profit can be already recorded in the other transaction. The position is closed when the price hits take profit target. Thus, we get a quick and smooth increase of our trading deposit. So let's move on to the bot. Here we have a standard interface. Here we're going to enter connection settings, API key and secret key. Here you can set your preferred language and English or Russian. Then we are connecting to the exchange and the bot verifies API key, and if everything is fine, we go further. Okay, after we go to the bot control block, everything is very simple here. Start, stop and close all positions respectively. Start is for starting the bot, stop is for stopping the bot, close all positions is to close all positions respectively. There you can see login block. The block shows current operations of the bot. Okay. Next we move on to the setting up a trading strategy. It's here. And first we need to choose pairs we need for trading. Here we got ADA BNB pair. Okay. We tick exit only, and it means that if you want the bot to close a new position and not to open a new one, in other words, if you want to remove a pair or make modifications, the bot will close the deal and it won't do anything further. Then the time frame field. From the drop-down list, we select the time frame we need to build the ratio, the period of the moving average. Yeah, we need 1 minute. Okay, here on the graph, you can see that this ratio is built at a ratio of one asset to another. In our case, ADA BNB ratio. We build a graph of the rates ratio of two pairs and plot two moving averages on it. And relative to these moving averages, we buy one pair and sell the other, or vice versa, according to indicators. A detailed description is on the strategy description page, and I'll leave the link below in the description under the video. Okay, in this field, period short moving average, we set the period of the short term moving average. In the long period field, respectively, we set the period of the long term moving average. Yeah, it's 170. If you tick exit on signal, an opposite signal to a signal to open will be a signal to close the deal. If you don't tick, the bot will not consider the opposite signal as an instruction to close the deal. It will execute buy orders and close the position when the price hits take profit or stop loss target. Okay, additional buy counts. Here we indicate the number of these extra orders. In the fields tab, we set the distance between buy-sell orders. It means that if we have a 1.5% drop in our current profit, the bot will execute extra buy orders. Okay, in the multiplier field specifies the multiplier for the step. It means how many times the next step will be greater than the current one. So if our first purchase is executed at a rate of 1.5%, then the second one will already be at distance of 4.5%. That is the first 1.5% and 2 will be multiplied by 1.5. We'll get 4.5. In the martingale field, specify the martingale coefficient for buy orders. This is how many times to increase the position volume for each subsequent purchase. If you leave 1, then the volume will not increase. It's the same here. If the multiplier is 1, then the step will be unchanged. So martingale is 1. In the take profit field, the take profit size is set. Here we specify the exact price at which to close out a position for a profit. Okay. In the stop loss field, the stop loss size is set. Here, respectively, we specify the exact price at which to close out a position for a profit. It's going to be 0. In the volume field, we specify the position volume of the deposit in percent. This is the total volume for a two-pair chain. How much percent of the deposit will be used for the current transaction? Actually, the bot is quite easy to use and it goes along with the instruction. The bot includes TS lab scripts for parameters optimization. So you can set up any pairs, choose the parameters you need, and build a profit curve. Also, we included our own initial settings in the bot and you can see how the bot works on our account. The link with detailed information about the strategy is in the description under the video. Thanks a lot for your attention.